Ever feel like the world is moving faster than you and you're still hitting snooze? Well, you're not alone. Maybe you burned your toast, spilled your coffee, or tripped over your own shoelaces. Yep, we've all been there. But hey, falling isn't failing, it's just extreme floor-hugging practice. Here's the truth. Success isn't about never falling. It's about getting up every single time. Like finally tying your shoes without tripping. Small wins count, more than you think. Every step you take, every little effort adds up, even when you don't see it yet. You don't have to be the fastest. Even a snail can win a race if it keeps going. And yes, some days are hard. Some days you just want to hide under the blanket. That's okay too. Start small, write one goal, take one step, that's it. Keep moving, keep trying, and remember, every stumble is just a setup for your next leap. So get up, brush off the dust, and go rock today because the world, it's waiting for you. Subscribe me for motivational videos.